Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to turn off comments from Instagram Live. We start by opening Instagram. We will click on the lower create icon and enter live mode. Then we are going to click on the lower icon to start the live show. Once we are in the live stream, click on the three lower points and select the turn off commenting option. After this, users will not be able to comment on the live stream. If we are the ones who have entered an already created live stream, and we do not want to see the comments, we can write the @ characters with a backslash, and they will no longer appear. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.